Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the front frame on this Frigidaire air conditioner, you will need a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a putty knife. Before you begin, unplug the unit's power cord. Your first step is to pull out the air filter. Now use the number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws, securing the grill assembly. With the screws unthreaded, use the putty knife to help pry the grill assembly off. Release the control panel wiring from the retainers. Next, use the number 1 Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the control panel. Pull back the retaining clips to release the panel. Insert the flathead screwdriver to depress the side of the horizontal louver assembly so you can pull it out. To prepare the new front frame for installation, transfer the control panel overlay from the old grill to the new one. You will need to transfer the foam strip insulation as well, or install new insulation. Align the side notches in the horizontal louver with the mounting posts on the frame and snap the assembly into position. Now align the control panel under the front frame retaining clips. Thread the 2 screws to secure. Secure the wiring in the retainers. Align the top tabs of the grill assembly with the slots in the top edge of the unit and snap the assembly into position. Thread the 2 mounting screws. Keeping the upper lip facing outward, insert the air filter into the front grill slot. Plug the power cord back in, and the air conditioner should be ready for use.